welcome to my channel. Today I got some of this pet tape when I went back to the UK from the Miso store. I believe it is a website over there, and it's gorgeous stuff. So I thought I would make some slides and some frames as well with it. So, and I'm using the Tim Holtz die. So to start off with, I've got some already, so it makes it easier because, as you know, it takes me a while to choose anything. So I'll put them away. And what I've got here is I've got this one. So I've cut out these two and then put a window in the middle using that one. So this is going to go like this, with this attached to there. So I need to ink round, so I will be doing that one. Quite straightforward. And then this one, I've got to get this round the right way. Oh, it's up that way. Okay, maybe we'll choose a different one. That wasn't very good, was it? I thought that was that way. It's actually that way. Ah, no. I've tried flattening these. Doesn't always work. I hadn't realised. I thought that was that way. Oh well, one of those things, isn't it? I'll put all these away later. Okay, because I want this going this way. So this will stick onto here. And then I have another frame I've cut out from some backdrops of the Tim Holtz papers that I had left over. And again, the same as this, but it's going this way, and I've chosen this one. So I'll start making these. I'll probably sort of speed this up a bit. So if I'm going to put, I need to ink everything. So there's those three. And you know what I'm going to do? The bit that I cut off of this one, I'm going to trim down and put on this one. Down the side there. Oh yeah, I like that one. Maybe this thin strip There. Oh yeah, I like that. Okay, these two I think I'm going to put labels and stamp on. Now I have another that I'm going to put onto some acetate. So I have one here, and then I have two others here, and I cut this out of one of the backdrops as well. So all of these need to be stuck onto some acetate. So I will do that next. And I will ink these as well, all these up. Okay, this is all stuck down. These two I think I'm just going to leave. I've sort of decorated with that. And this one is really a standalone. I like that. I'll put them over on the white so you can see. And these I want to decorate. So what I'm going to do is do some stamping and use some Love Junk Journal. Yep. Now I just need some numbers. So I've got samples, numbers from the past, and I will use the if I can find my stamping pads, which should be around here somewhere. Okay, got them. They were in a different tray. I keep my things in project trays. So what I want to do is take this one, and I will take a sheet of white paper, and I'm going to take this one. I'm going to have to keep an eye, because I noticed not so much with the stays on, but with these they tend to go around the edge. And there. And on there. I will do all the stamping first, I think. So I'm going to use a stamp on here, and I've got that one there. I'm going to stick down. I just like the colours, I think, go with it. I've got to think about what else I'm going to do there. And with these, I'm going to use Love Junk journals and some smaller labels. Here we go, the red. Let's do the red here. As a tag. I want something quite large. And I've put a rub on this one. Didn't do it on camera, not after the last 3 times I've tried doing it. So what I want to do now, I think I'm going to leave that one as it is. This one, I'm going to, no, I'll do it with the little ones first. I think this one, I'm going to make a slightly bigger hole. Like that. Have that one up in the corner there. I think I'll do one this side as well with the smaller hole. There. Sorry if that made a big bang. Put that in there. And won't do one on that. I think I'll do one on this. So I'll put some grommets in some of them. So these, I'm going to move over to the here, put them on the side, because you can see those ones then through onto the white. You can see they're see-through that way. And then these are the other ones. I've enjoyed doing these. These are quite nice little things, decorations to put into your journals. Thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, notification bell and subscribe if you haven't, as it all helps me. And I hope you've enjoyed this. See you next time. Bye.